Welcome students. Here the question. Prove that cos theta by 1 minus tan theta minus sin square theta by cos theta minus sin theta is equal to cos theta plus sin theta. Here we have to prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So first write left hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to that is equal to minus see carefully, in right hand side there is no any tan theta and other except cos theta and sin theta. So we have to convert here tan theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. Next we'll simplify. So this as it is. Now simplify more first term. Denominator when it will be simplified cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. So more simplification after minus sin square theta that is equal to denominator same cos theta minus sin theta, also for in this fraction cos theta minus sin theta. So simplify more now factorize numerator. So that is equal to numerator factorized by the formula which is in algebra. Now cos theta minus sin theta and in the numerator cos theta minus sin theta same, it will be cancelled out. What is remaining? Obviously this is right hand side. So left hand side and hence proved. If you are benefited, you must share your friends. Thank you for watching this video.